Yeah, sure am. Yeah, sure am. I'm here.
You sounded good over here in Sulphur Springs. I'll let you get around the bend there. I don't know. I know you just talked to who now, and then you got Wood Nickel. He's over here in Irwin, and then we got Super Bears in Jonesboro, 10-4.
That's a pretty good ring of people there. That's pretty far away. I'm impressed. This when I'm making the call here, I got to say, I heard you in there. I've been getting a lot of rain here at the house, but I've had the radio on tonight and heard you guys talking. Wasn't sure if it was a net get together, but I figured I'd try for it. Sounds good. I'm glad that I was able to make contact.
Hey, 10-4. Yeah, this is Sidecutter. I'm over here in Sulphur Springs here, about 4 miles out of Gray, Tennessee, Roger.
Roger that. Sulphur Springs. I'll bet you that's a good 30 miles ground, I'd say. And I'm pretty well blocked in by mountains here. I got my antenna about 30 feet off the ground, but I'll tell you what, those mountains around me have got at least 500 feet on that antenna. So that's pretty impressive.
10-4. Well, you're sounding good. I'll let these other boys holler at you, and hey, you have a good one over there. You good about hollering at us for sure. You take care. God bless. Have a wonderful evening, and we'll catch you another time. This Sidecutter over here in Sulphur Springs, well, son.
You as well, my friend. You as well. Take care to you and yours.
10-4. Who the hell talked to him? How about you, Super Bear? Super Bear was messing up TV. Hey, please run away from me. Here's you, Sidecutter. Hey, Roger. He said he was on 321 at Farpoint Farms, but I don't know exactly where he was. You got a pretty little better estimation as where he's at? They're pretty close to Mountain City, Tennessee, Roger. 10-4. I made a note of that. I'll look that up later. Writing down in my list here. I found it right then, Nickel. Redneck Hillbilly, Virginia, Fort Blackmore, 37 miles.
Wow. 37-mile ground wave contact. Not bad at all. And this is on AM 27, so I'm very pleased with that.
You're still in there, get in the tape. But let's leave the voice. We'll make sure we can. They can get over Nickel. Nickel, I get right talking about I think you can call what? There's 2 mile mountains. There's a big mountain, which is the one where you're talking about. And then there's a little mountain here. A big mountain up there where the routes from other. Yeah, it's bad. I don't know. I just did it, Roger.
Something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.